Hello, and welcome to the Fundamentals of Digital System Design course. I'm Subodha Charles, and I'll be one of your guides through this exciting journey into the world of digital systems. In this course, you will learn the essential concepts and skills needed to design, analyze, and implement digital systems. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your knowledge, this course is designed to provide you with a solid foundation and practical experience as well. We will cover topics such as logic design, gates, flip-flops, basic finite state machines, K-maps, and several other key concepts. All these will be taught to you while working on real-world projects. So it is not going to be a bunch of theories. We will have fun building these things and we will learn as we go. Our team of expert instructors, they are here to support you in every step of the way. We can't wait to see you in the course. So let's get started in this exciting journey together. This is the first of a series of courses we are doing related to chip design. Completing the specialization is similar to you doing a minor parallel to your main degree program. Our objective is to get you industry ready in this domain, even if you are an absolute beginner. Those who complete this specialization will be eligible to face interviews with Sri Lankan companies working in this area, so you can secure job placements and form a rewarding career in this exciting domain.